Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce chlorine in your pool. High chlorine levels can be uncomfortable, causing irritation to your skin and eyes, and can even damage your pool equipment over time. We'll cover simple steps to bring your chlorine back to a safe and enjoyable range, ensuring your pool is perfectly balanced for swimming. Let's dive in and get your water just right. One of the easiest ways to reduce chlorine is by letting nature do the work. Sunlight is a powerful tool. UV rays naturally break down chlorine compounds. Simply stop adding chlorine for a day or two and let the sun do its job. You can also run your pool's aeration features, like a waterfall or jets, as this helps release chlorine gas into the air, further lowering levels. If you need a faster solution, chemical reducers are very effective. Products like sodium thiosulfate work quickly to neutralize chlorine. It's crucial to read and follow the manufacturer's instructions precisely for the correct dosage based on your pool size and current chlorine level. Add the chemical slowly, distribute it evenly, and then retest your water after a few hours to ensure the desired reduction. To prevent high chlorine levels in the future, focus on consistent maintenance. Regularly check your chlorinator settings to avoid adding too much chlorine. Maintaining proper pH, ideally between 7.4 and 7.6, and alkalinity helps keep your chlorine more stable. If levels are still stubbornly high, adding fresh water by partially draining and refilling your pool can effectively dilute the chlorine concentration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.